Hello, little learners! Today, we are going to explore the wonderful letter A.
Letter A. That's the first letter of the alphabet. Let's learn it.
The letter A makes the short sound, like an apple. Let's say it together, apple.
Apple. Apples are yummy and good for our health.
Let's write big A. Slide down left, slide down right, and line across the middle.
Slide down left, slide down right, and across. It looks just like a tall mountain.
Now let's write little a. Curve around into a circle, then slide straight down.
A is for airplane flying high in the sky. And A is for tiny marching ants.
Wonderful! Apple, airplane, and ant all start with the letter A.
Hooray! We know the letter A sound and how to write it.